Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you the latest subscription box from Your Creative Studio. This is the September box that I'm going to show you, and I will have it linked in the description box below. There is also a discount code for you if you're interested in purchasing something in their shop. And I'm also going to let you know that if they do still have this particular box, you can probably still get it. I absolutely love what's in this box. I kind of saw a little preview of it on their site. I like that a lot of the things they include, including their little business cards, you can reuse and repurpose yourself. So, you know, these can become journaling cards, pockets, tags, like so many things with these lovely pieces that they include. This one here has some stickers, and I like that they are a little bit kind of see-through. So I'm just grabbing a piece of white paper here so you can get a better idea of what they look like, because I noticed that some of the papers have different sort of like a color to them. So there's like some pink and a little yellow, a bit more beige and creams. So it is just a really nice mixture of images and shapes, and the fact that there's that sort of washi, see-through washi tape feel to them. I absolutely love that. These are very usable in many projects, of course. And I actually will be coming back very soon, showing you what I've been inspired to create with some of these goodies. If you haven't seen Your Creative Studio before, they basically combine a lot of vintage style pieces that go together. The kit itself, you can use it to make so many things because everything is coordinated so nicely. And they include such a variety of pieces, as you can see here. So these are postcard style ephemera pieces, which are just perfect if you want to make a faux postcard with something. They usually include some stamps and some washi tapes, many stickers, a variety of papers, which I am really in love with. There's just so much you can do with them. And it is just always so, like, such a nice surprise to go through their boxes. So here you can see these ones have like a gold inlay to them, or a gold kind of finish, which is really nice if you want something to be a little bit more, like a little bit fancier, I guess, and you don't have like that what do they call that, gold foiling. So if you don't have something like that, then this would be so perfect to add to a project to give it that little extra special touch. And as I said, you can totally use their packaging as well and repurpose it in your projects, which I tend to do a lot. This one here has a lot of different types of paper that are, you know, just some vellum, as you can see here, and just different textures. But I even love the way they packaged it, because that's a cute little way to make uneasy pockets. You know, you can package a bunch of goodies in it and slip them in snail mail. By the way, speaking of snail mail, if you want to take part in my Happy Mail list, check out the video I will link below. I'm going to be starting to do that, and I'm super excited about you know, sharing some ideas on how to get yourself a Happy Mail or snail mail pal. So check that out. I will link it below, and hopefully I'll also be showing you a few more videos in the next coming weeks on different ideas of, you know, ways that you can get Happy Mail sent out. In fact, I'm thinking that I might prepare some you know, some mail with some of these goodies, and just show you different ways that you can put pieces together to share with friends and family and that sort of thing. So these, this one here includes some stickers, and of course some of the those really nice neutral pages. But these ones are nice and thick. I absolutely love the color, the texture. So these will be really lovely to add as an addition to any project. And then they've included two of these like white texture pieces as well. So this is a really nice you know, set that was included. Here is the washi tape. Now I have to tell you, they sent this washi tape like a a brownish kind of orangey color a long time ago. I'm almost out of it. I use it so much because it's somewhat neutral and it can go with just about anything. So I love their washi tapes. Like this one here's got a little bit of like that kind of orangey pinky tint. And it's just so like neutral, but you add a little bit of color, which is always nice. Here are the stamps. These are some of the stamps that are included in this set. Hopefully the glare is not too much. I'm trying to find a way that is less of a glare for you to see. They stamp really nice, and so I'm actually going to try and use some of my stamps from them as well, a little bit more in my projects, so I can show you how they come out. So these are very nice as well. And then we have the larger one as well, which is like, looks like you could put like a name or some sort of, use it as a label maybe. That one there. Now this is like that kind of really nice see-through sticker, and anything that says Your Creative Studio on the packaging, I believe it is something that they made themselves, so it's their own design, so you won't find these pieces anywhere else except in the shop, of course. Here's the packaging again that I'm excited to use. And then these ones are those rub-ons, which is really lovely to have such a nice variety of them. And look at the colors. I just absolutely love them. So I can't wait to use these up. Now, the one thing I saw with this box that I was super excited about were the stencils that I'm going to show you in a minute. I love stencils. I don't use them as often as I think I should, but I'll probably start using them more now. They include these two in this collection, and I am absolutely in love with the design. So you can see here again, the packaging is easy to repurpose and reuse. And I'm just going to put them on that green background. I don't know if you can see them well with that green background. Maybe there's still a little bit of glare there, but there's more like a floral look to them, and they'd be nice for like the, you know, backgrounds of greeting cards, that sort of thing. I couldn't find something else to show you the stencil itself, but I think you can see it on the green mat. I just saw it afterwards and saw that you could check it out. These ones are stickers again, and they're different shapes and designs. They look like labels and little faux cancel stamp shapes. So these are really nice, and I like that they've done an outline this time on these ones, so you can kind of see what the shape is supposed to be. Sometimes you have to sort of pull everything out to see what the shape is before you can use it. Now I have to tell you, this paper collection is amazing. I absolutely love the colors, the borders, the florals. Like, it is subtle, yet you can see so much. I love the little script on some of the pages. Now these ones, they usually include 4 different styles of paper. So you have like a regular kind of thin paper. You have a vellum paper, which all have the same designs as you can see here. So you have the same design on 4 different types of papers, which is really nice to have on hand. They usually include like a thicker sort of artist paper, and then a sticker sheet as well for everything. So I'm loving the colors. I'm so inspired by the colors. They're so like just very neutral, but like I said, with a hint of lovely color, and I can't wait to put these to good use. Let me know if you have received their boxes before, if you enjoy having their boxes, and if not, like I said, I will have a discount code for you, as well as a link to what I have here. So I think these are the sticker sheets, but in opening them up, I discovered that the sticky part is on the wrong side. So they ended up somehow putting the sticky part on the backing and not on the actual paper itself. So this just feels like the backing of the sticker paper. So I think it might be a little hard to actually stick to surfaces because it's so shiny, but I'll give that a try. Let me know if you've experienced that before, where the you know, the paper that's supposed to be sticky is actually that shiny backing paper, and how you go about sticking it onto a surface, because it doesn't usually stick when it's that kind of you know, that slippery sort of. So yes, if you've had that trouble before with your stickers, let me know what your suggestion is. Maybe I'll just leave them attached and just glue the backing as is once I've decided what I'm going to do with it. But anyways, my friends, I just wanted to do this quick video to show you the latest box. I absolutely love this box. I can't wait to show you what I've been inspired to make with it, and check out the other videos I've shared before for their unboxings and also ideas of what I've made with some of the pieces. Questions, comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Check out my playlist for tutorials and craft with me videos. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.